Hello students, let's continue with the lesson comparing quantities. Last video you have seen comparing quantities using ratios. In today's video we'll talk about percentage. Percentage is another way of comparing quantities. A percentage is a ratio of number to 100. That is, they are the numerators of fractions with denominator 100. The word percent means per 100. So 6% means 6 out of 100. This is the symbol of percentage. Now if we write 80%, it simply means 80 by 100. In other words, 1% can be written in fraction as 1 by 100 and in decimal as 0.01. Let's see how to convert all this. To convert the fractions, decimals or ratio into a percentage, we must multiply the number by 100 and put the percentage symbol. First we'll see how to convert the fraction into percentage. If you take an example of say 23 by 100. When you have a fraction with denominator as 100, you can simply write it as 23%. Or you can also do it like we know to convert it into a percentage, we have to multiply the given number by 100. So 23 by 100 also if you do 100 get cancelled. So what you have is 23, you have to put the percentage symbol. That is, if you have a fraction with the denominator 100, you can simply write 23 by 100 is equal to 23%. Now, let's take one more example. Let's take 8 by 20. Now, this is a fraction where you do not have a denominator as 100, isn't it? So, what do? Given number should be multiplied by 100 to make it a percent. 20 ones are 20 fives are. So in the numerator you have 8 fives are 40. This is percentage, remember, so you need to put a percentage sign. Shall we see the next example? We will take 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 is a fraction which I need to convert it into a percentage. What do? I multiply it with 100. But in this case 20 would divide 100, isn't it? But here it is not. 3 is not a factor of 100. So we can't divide it, we'll get a decimal point. So what I will do? 100 ones are 100 by 3. I got an improper fraction. Let me convert it into a mixed fraction. 3 3s are 9. Here 10 again, 3 3s are 9, 1 will be left. I hope you remember how to convert a improper fraction into mixed. Denominator is same. 33 1 by 3 percentage. If you want, you can divide this and get it into a decimal number and write that percentage also. Next we will see how to convert the ratio into percentage. Now if you take an example, ratio is 1:5. You know that the ratios can be written as fractions. That is, I can write it as 1 by 5. Now you follow the same step as you did it for the fraction. 1 by 5 multiplied by 100. The given fraction you multiplied by 100 in order to get the percentage. Now I can divide this. 5 ones are 5 20s are. So 20 ones are 20%. So 1:5 is converted into percentage as 20%. Next we will see converting decimal to percent. We'll take an example of 0.75. This is a decimal number. Remember, decimal number can be written as fraction. How is it? 75 divided by, do you remember, after the decimal point we have two places. So 1 should be followed by 2 zeros. So you got 75 by 100. Now you very well know how to convert a fraction into percent. That is multiplying it by 100. 100 get cancelled. So you have 75%. 0.75 will be equal to 75%. Shall we take one more example? 2.5 2.35. Let me take 2.35. Now, how do we write this? As fraction 235 divided by, after the decimal point again here also you have two places, so one should be followed by two zeros. So this you converted into a fraction. How do we convert fraction into percent? Simply multiply it with 100. 100 get cancelled. What is left? 235%. Next we will see how to convert the percentage to fraction or decimal. That is the other way around. You have seen how to convert the fraction or decimal into percent. Now we are converting percentage into fraction or decimal. Shall we take an example? First one, we will take 10%. This is in percentage. Percentage is nothing but per 100. That is a number with the denominator as 100. Don't put percentage sign here. This is only percentage. It means it is 10 by 100. So, percentage has been converted into fraction. How do you convert it into decimal? There are two zeros here. So, from the unit place, you should leave two places and put a decimal point. So, 0.10 is the decimal form of 10 by 100, which is equal to 10%. Let's see one more example. Shall I take 90%? Okay, this is in percentage. How do I convert it into fraction? 90 by 100, right? Because percentage means per 100. Now how do I convert it into decimal? Again, you see the denominator having two zeros here. So from the unit place, you leave two places. So decimal point will come before 9. So you can't write just 0.90. So we will write it as 0.90. The last example for this, let me take 250%. How do I write it as fraction? Simple. 250, instead of the percentage sign, it means it is by 100. Now, how many zeros are there in the denominator? 2. So, from the unit place, I have to leave two places and put the decimal point. So, decimal point will come between 2 and 5. So, the answer will be 2.50. The next is converting the percentage to how many. What do you mean by this how many? See this question. A survey of 40 children showed that 25% liked playing football. That is, there are 40 students totally, out of which 25% liked football. How many? See, this is what we need to find out. How many children like playing football? We want the number of children who like playing football. What is given in the question is the percentage liked playing football. So how do I find out? What is the meaning of 25%? It is nothing but 25 by 100. That is, if there were 100 students, then 25 students like playing it. Now how many students do we have total? 40. So for 25 is out of 100. Now for 40, how many we will get? Understand this? 25 by 100 multiplied by 40. So 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 2s are, 2 5s are. Right? 5 1s are, 5 5s are. So 5 2s are 10. So this is not percentage. Remember, percentage was given. We have found out the number of students. So 25% of 40 children means it is 10 students out of 40 like playing football. Such questions sometimes will also come as 25% of 40. Do you remember of always means multiplication? So this also we can solve it as 25 by 100. That is 25% means 25 by 100. Of means multiplication 40. Here also we will get the 25 1s are, 25 4s are, 4 1s are, 4 10s are. Anyhow, this way also you can cut, this way also you can cut. So 10 1s are 10. Here also you will get the same answer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.